Hey there, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center right here in Boca Raton, Florida. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that your PRP or hair transplant procedure is going to be painful. Well, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I'm going to teach you and tell you exactly what we do to keep your PRP procedure and your hair transplant 100% comfortable. So stay tuned. So it's a common myth, maybe you've heard it from a friend, that their PRP procedure or their hair transplant was a painful process. Well, it doesn't have to be, and I'm going to tell you why. Here at Bauman Medical, we have technology that enables you to have a 100% comfortable procedure. And one of the best ways is obviously local anesthetic, which numbs the entire scalp, so you're not going to feel anything during the procedure. But how do we get that local anesthetic in there without you feeling it? Well, we've got a couple of tricks up our sleeve. First thing we're going to do is vibrate the skin, so that's going to block the sensation of the needle. And we're also going to have you use Pronox. Pronox is a miracle. It's a safe way to reduce pain during the procedure so that you will have a comfortable 100% pain-free process. Take a nice deep breath of the Pronox and you're not going to feel the PRP, and you control it. So nitrous oxide is a safe way to block pain. It is given to kids, pregnant women, 100% safe. It works in a few minutes and it goes away in a few minutes. And you can use it as you wish during your PRP procedure or your hair transplant procedure so that you will have a comfortable 100% pain-free process. Take a nice deep breath of the Pronox and you're not going to feel the PRP or the procedure at all. If you'd like to learn more about a comfortable PRP or hair transplant procedure, call, click, or visit BaumanMedical.com today.